Okay, and this is the last bike check in the series. This is my brother's Specialized Fuse 3. Okay, so starting off, we have a Specialized Fuse 3 frame. And then we have Fuse 4 forks. Then stock handlebars. We have McNeil grips and bar ends. We have a Diatech Dirty Hairy brake set. They're U-brakes with new Odyssey clear pads in the back. They're really good brake pads. Just got them. And then I have on the front tire is a stock Specialized. And then I have the Specialized rim with the red hub. And then it's got double-walled rims. Moving back, we have Mirco Black Label plastic pedals. White. We have stock Specialized cranks. And then we have an Animal V-Lite 36 tooth sprocket with a KMC light chain. I guess I like KMC lights because they're on all three of the bikes. And then it's got an Odyssey 13 tooth driver in the back on a Specialized flip side rim. So I can put the driver on either side just in case. And then I have a S&M Bike Co. seat. It's, I think it's a Live to Ride edition or something. And then I have the Tioga Power Block 20x2x10 on the back. Then again, my front tire's a 20x2x10. And then that's basically it.